Boat tours provide a perspective you'd only get if you rode on a seagull or stole a broom from a teenage wizard. They give you a new outlook on the place you live or let you take in Instagrammable views of the destination you're visiting. There are as many kind of boat tour experiences as there are bodies of water. You can cut through the cobalt blue waters of the Pacific Ocean and wave to wildlife mingling off the Washington coast. You can cruise down the Chicago River, dwarfed in the immense shadow of towering skyscrapers, or see them huddled from afar, a few miles off the Lake Michigan shore. You can feast on barbecue dinner aboard an old-fashioned double-decker riverboat, or peek into the backyards of celebrities' South Florida vacation homes. Tour guides will likely spin historical tales, point out sights, and pass along trivia. But they'll also leave plenty of gaps so you can get lost in thought amid the gentle breezes, lapping waves, and uniquely hypnotic rhythms of life offshore.